Hi everyone, I'm Nefise, one of the SEO team member from Boostrise, and today we will talk about meta descriptions. So let's start. The first question is, what is meta description? And mainly meta description is an HTML element that summarizes a web page. So meta descriptions, which are located under the meta title and containing details about the page content, can significantly affect user click-through rates. So in addition to that, these meta descriptions that we will create by highlighting our important keywords can affect the ranking of our pages. And why are meta descriptions important? Why we care for our SEO project? So for this question, there are two different answers, and one of them is user experience. From user experience, meta description is one of the SEO components that we communicate with the user for the first time. And so we can attract the user's attention who is querying a search engine with a suitable and interesting meta description. And also, meta descriptions are essential when we think about the e-commerce sites. Meta descriptions with details about the product the user is looking for are important for improving the user experience. After improving the user experience, we will increase the organic traffic to the site. So the other answer is search engines. So why search engines care meta descriptions? Because meta descriptions help search bots understand what page content is relevant to. Because crawling bots want to bring the most relevant result to the user. So bots need to associate the page's content with the meta description. And what are meta description issues? So what kind of problem that we can see in our websites? The first one is duplicate meta description, and it occurs when the meta descriptions on our pages are duplicated in the same pattern as each other. So Google takes meta description very seriously, and meta descriptions affect our rankings. So for this reason, the meta descriptions on each of our pages must be original and follow the Google standards concerning the page. And the other one is short meta description, and these are incomplete descriptions that do not provide enough information about the page content. So these descriptions must be minimum of 90 characters by Google standards. And the other one is opposite of short meta description is long meta description, and these are descriptions that exceed the maximum 155 character limit. So for this reason, we need to rewrite these long meta descriptions again. And what is the approach about meta description optimization? So first thing is we really need to care the character limits. So meta descriptions must be minimum of 90 characters and a maximum of 155 characters, as we said before. And we should write our meta descriptions by highlighting our keywords related to the page content. However, we should avoid using unnecessary keywords in order not to cause keyword stuffing. And also, we can consider our descriptions as a preview for the users who will come to our page. So not for search bots, we must write descriptions for users with natural language. And the other one is all our meta descriptions must be unique and different from each other. And while writing our descriptions, we should use expressions called call to action, because with call to action, we can attract the users to our search results. So the use of call to actions can be diversified with phrases such as learn more, or click here, or shop now. So the last one is our meta descriptions must be related to the page content, because instead of showing meta descriptions filled with keywords or too long or too short or low relevance in search results, Google may show content that Google thinks is relevant from within the page as meta description in the results. So what can we achieve with meta description optimization? What are our goals for meta description optimization? So we can affect our pages' organic visibility and rankings by optimizing our meta description. So from this, we aim to increase our organic traffic, increase our non-brand organic traffic, and increase our conversion. So this is the meta description optimization issues, and I hope it will help you. Have a nice day.